Okay guys, welcome to my new video, top traffic exchange website that you can use it to promote your link or any link you want, guaranteed clicks. You can use these websites to get free traffic and paid traffic. It's your choice. But basically, some of this traffic exchange website is very convert traffic, and you can get unlimited leads to your link. You can use this traffic to get to promote your landing page. You can promote your blog, or you can rank your own website. This is the best traffic exchange that I am using a long time, and some of them I found in the last 2 months. So before I make this video, I decide to test this traffic exchange, and I am really like it. So I decide to make this video and to show you some of this traffic exchange website that you can use it right now. Okay, this is free to join, and you can use it to promote everything. Okay, so this traffic, this is real traffic, fantastic traffic, and you can use it too. Okay, so all the list you can find here in this website. You can visit this website. Now I will show you some of this website. You can see one of them, Hitlib. This is also you can earn traffic. Also, you can buy traffic, and you can get unlimited traffic to your website daily. Basically, this is a traffic exchange. This is a free traffic, and also you can buy traffic and you can use the buy traffic. Okay. Traffic source number 2 is 10K. I think you know about this website. This is not a new website. And also you can see I getting unlimited traffic from this website daily. Basically, I am using this traffic. I am using free traffic from this site, and paid traffic. You can see I am a business account on this website, and this is really work if you want to use this website. Okay, I have 45 links that I am promoting on this website. All my links is landing pages and affiliate links from Max Bounty, Clickbank, and Payspree, and more website that I am promoting on this website. Okay. Next, traffic ad bar. I think you know about this website. Like you see, I am getting traffic from this website daily, and this traffic is fantastic, and the reason all the members on this website searching for making money academy. Okay, so this is very important. All the members on this website searching for making money academy niche. So you have to promote only making money niche on this website. Okay, you can't use it for a diet or dating or any niche. Okay, you can use it only for making money niche or Bitcoin niche. If you want, you can try. Okay. Next, Traf Post. This is also the best, one of the best traffic exchange. You can see I have over 1000 point. This is of course I will convert to traffic. I will get this traffic for free, and this is fantastic to promote your affiliate link. You can promote any affiliate link. You can build your list using this website. Okay, the next website I will show you is Big Hits. You can see this website is fantastic to get traffic. You can see I am getting a lot of traffic from this website to my website, to my landing pages, and you can use it too. You can also, if you want, you can buy traffic. This is very cheap traffic. You can see for $5 you can get 75 visitors. This is very cheap traffic, and you can use it too to promote your affiliate link. Your if you want, you can promote your landing page, and of course you can build your list using this traffic exchange. Okay, Traf app is also a fantastic website to get traffic to your website for free. Okay, I recommend to use this website to get free traffic. Don't pay for traffic on this website. Okay, the reason you don't need to buy for traffic. You can get unlimited free traffic from this website, and also you can promote everything using this website, and of course you can build your list. You can promote your ClickBank affiliate links, and you can promote your any affiliate link you want. Okay, Auto Hits, this is also a fantastic website to promote your affiliate link, and you can see I just start with this website in the day one I get over 3,000, and day two over 10,000 visitors. Today I get for now 8,000 visitors. This is a great website to get unlimited traffic. You can also promote adult traffic, and this is a fantastic, okay, this is a fantastic website to get unlimited traffic to your links, and of course you can build your list. Okay, web traffic surf, also this is a fantastic website. Don't worry, I will put all the links in the list. You can found all the traffic, free traffic exchange. You can found it here, so you can use it for free. Okay, also auto web surf, also this is a fantastic website traffic. You can see I have here credit almost over 24,000 credit, and I will get this traffic to my links daily, and this is also a fantastic traffic to promote your affiliate link and to get leads daily. The best thing from this website is all members is searching to make money online. So the only niche that you have to promote using all this website, it's only making money niche. Okay, this is very important. Okay, don't use a different niche. You have to use only making money online niche. Okay, this is very important. So if you can use this website and get free, no matter, you can use it also for paid traffic. You will get unlimited, very relevant and convert leads to your link. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now I will show you one of the best traffic exchange that you can use to promote your everything. You can promote your affiliate link, you can promote your landing page, you can get unlimited sign UPS to your affiliate link. Basically, this is one of the best traffic that I am using. I found this website and I am using every single day, and you can use it too. You can see I am getting over 400 here, 400 every single hour. Okay, this is for hour, not a day. So you can see every hour I am getting average 500 here, 400, 500, 500 visitors, 600. Okay, you can see you can get unlimited traffic from this website. Basically, this is one of the best traffic that you can use to promote your landing page. You can build your list. This is a fantastic website um, to promote your own site or blog. You can build your list, and this is very cheap traffic, and I will show you why this very cheap traffic. Shopee by point. Okay, by point. Okay, look at this. This is fantastic. So basically, you can use this duration time. I recommend to use 10 minutes, 10 seconds, sorry, 10 seconds. Okay, so you will get, you can see here, 50,000 visitors, only $10. Okay, 50,000 visitors, only $10. So if I have here, this is a point. Okay, you can see this is a point over 300 point, and I will get from this point unlimited visitors to my links. Okay, you can promote 3 links on this website. You can promote 3 links the same time using this website, and this is a fantastic traffic and very cheap traffic, like you see. And if you want more traffic, you can choose, look at this, you can get, let's say, 100,000 for $16. Okay, this is very cheap and great to promote your website or your landing sorry, and your landing page, and get unlimited sign based daily. Okay, so you can find this website number 8 on the list, and I recommend to start with this website so you can test it. You can also use it to get free traffic. Okay, not only paid traffic, you can use it for free traffic. But first I will show you. Basically, I am not using free traffic from this website. Okay, you can go here to download. Okay, and you have to download the software. So if you have a Windows or a Linux or Mac, choose one of them and download the software. Then you can use this traffic for free. Okay, if you want to know more about this great traffic exchange, you can go to Google and searching for this website tutorials, and you can learn exactly how to use the free traffic. Basically, I am not using free traffic on this website. I am using paid traffic. Okay, I am using paid traffic, and I am getting a lot traffic every single day, like you see here, and this is great for me. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. You can visit Making Money Academy. You can find all this free traffic exchange here. You can find more free traffic, free solo ads. I am updating all this list every single day when I found a new website. Please, if you have any free website or another, if you have another traffic exchange, please you can share your link below this video so we can teach others about free traffic and about traffic exchange. If you like this video, please hit like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.